In this tutorial, I'll show you how to combine videos in Canva. We'll walk through it step by step, from starting a video project to adding your clips, trimming them, adding transitions and audio, and finally downloading one clean combined MP4 file. Keep Canva open in your browser so you can follow along as I go. First, start a video project. In Canva, go to the top right and click on Create a Design. From the drop-down, choose Video. If you already know the style you want, you can also pick a video template here instead of a blank video. For example, you might see options like YouTube video, Instagram Reel, or TikTok video. Pick the size that matches where you'll post your final combined video. Once you select it, Canva will open the video editor with a blank canvas in the center and a timeline or page area at the bottom. Next, upload your videos. On the left side of the screen, click on the Uploads tab. Here you can either click the Upload Files button and choose your video files from your computer, or simply drag and drop your video files straight from a folder into the Canva window. Wait for the uploads to finish. You'll see a small progress indicator on each file. When they are done, your video clips will appear in the Uploads panel, ready for you to use in your project. Now add clips to the timeline. Start with your first video clip. Click on it in the Uploads panel and drag it onto the main canvas in the center. Canva will automatically turn that page into a video clip on the timeline. This is the start of your combined video. To add your second video, grab the next clip from the Uploads panel, and instead of dropping it on top of the first one, drag it to the right side of the timeline or page area. Move it until you see a plus icon or a highlighted edge that shows it will be added as a new page or new clip in sequence. Drop it there. Now you have clip 1 followed by clip 2. Repeat the same process for any additional videos you want to combine, always dragging each new clip to the right so it appears after the previous one. You are building a sequence clip by clip in the order you want. From here, trim and adjust your clips. Click on any video clip in the timeline. At the edges of the clip, you'll see handles that you can drag left or right. Dragging these trims the start or end of the video so you can cut out unwanted parts like long pauses or mistakes. You can also double-check timing by watching the preview above as you trim. If you want to adjust how the video looks on the canvas, click the clip on the main preview area. You can grab the corners to resize it, drag to reposition it, or use the crop and fill or fit options if they appear to frame your subject properly. Do this for each clip until the combined sequence feels clean and smooth. Next, add transitions between your clips. On the timeline, move your mouse between two video clips. A small transition icon, usually a plus sign or a vertical line between the clips, will appear. Click on that icon to open the transition menu. Here you can choose different effects, such as match and move for a smooth, natural flow between clips, or other styles like fades or slides, depending on what Canva offers in your version. Click on a transition to apply it, and adjust the duration if there is a slider or time setting. Repeat this between each pair of clips to keep your combined video flowing nicely from one scene to the next. If you want to add audio, this part is optional but powerful. You can use music, voiceovers, or sound effects. Just like with video, go to the Uploads tab or the Audio section if Canva provides one. Drag your audio file down to the audio track below your video clips in the timeline. You'll see it appear as a waveform. You can trim the audio by dragging its edges, and you can position it to start at a certain clip. Click on the audio and look for volume controls to adjust how loud it is. If your version of Canva has beat sync, you can use it to align cuts or visuals to the beat of the music for a more polished result. Now preview your combined video. At the top of the timeline or underneath the canvas, click the play button. Canva will play your clips one after another with transitions and audio included. Watch from start to finish. Check that each cut feels smooth, that the trims are correct, that transitions look the way you want, and that audio levels are comfortable. If something feels off, pause, click that clip or transition and make small adjustments, then preview again. Once you're happy, it's time to download your combined video. Go to the top right corner and click Share. In the menu that appears, choose Download. Under the file type, select MP4 video, since that's the standard video format. Make sure all pages or all scenes are selected so Canva includes every clip in the sequence, not just the one you're currently on. Double-check any quality or resolution settings if they are available, then click the final Download button. Canva will process your project and save one single combined MP4 file to your computer. From here, you can upload that combined video to YouTube, social media, or wherever you need it, all built with Canva.